Alright guys, so next I'm going to be doing the Sony 295 with the different Screen Innovation samples. Start out with the Black Diamond 0.8. And what we're using is Mission Impossible Fallout as an example. This is the Black Diamond 1.4, side by side. Pretty comparable, honestly, the two Black Diamond materials. I'm going to try the Black Diamond 1.4 on the top and the Slate 1.2, two really high gain screen choices. I always think of the Slate as like the value screen, like where you're getting into a really premium material, but it doesn't break the bank. Black Diamond's kind of like their flagship, you know, premium stuff. So it's at a much higher price point. But you can see the Slate performs pretty comparable. I actually think it produces a brighter image, just maybe a little bit less contrast than what you can see with the Screen Innovations. This is the Slate 0.8. This is the 1.2. And here's white. You can see it doesn't produce anywhere near the same quality. It's just a lot brighter, which is good in certain situations. The white screen, if you have a completely dark room and not a super bright projector, can produce a really nice quality picture. You also need to make sure you have no ambient light. So this is an overview, guys, of the Sony 295 with all of the different Screen Innovations screen types. I hope that you guys found this informative and helpful in making a buying decision. Thanks for watching, guys.